I'm Alan Edwards from Alpus Group, and I'm going to tell you about our Alpus unique branded system for property development. A is for acquire property, L is for leverage our expert team, P is for project design, U is for undertake improvement, and S is for safe, secure investment returns. So I'll explain these phases to you. A is acquisition of the property. We can acquire property from you by buying it from you, or we can undertake a purchase lease option. We can lease the property from you and purchase at a later date. We can joint venture with you and you put the property into an SPV, special purpose vehicle, for development of the property, and then we share the profits. Or we can actually carry out an assisted sale, whereby we take your property and under agreement we will improve the value of the property and then sell it, and we share the profits from the improved value from the sale. So we have lots of different creative solutions. We like to carry out all our property developments and investments ethically. We like to find win-win solutions for people who've got property problems. So L is for leverage, and leverage means that you leverage the expertise of our team. So we've got Louise Suter, who's our expert architect. She's got years of experience of design and many planning applications. We've got Anna Lipcheva, who's our rentals expert, and she has experience particularly of large numbers of serviced accommodation units. My own experience is in project management of development projects from the smallest up to the largest. I've worked for contractors, consultants and clients as well, and I've spent my life looking after other people's money. So essentially that's our expert team. The next stage is, once we decide that there's the possibility of a project, an improvement in value, we carry out project design phase. And this is when we look at the available options and we develop them, one or more, into options for appraisal and then for planning approval. So the planning approval may be under permitted development rights, or it may be a full planning approval. It just depends on the circumstances. We carry out the design work under the RIBA plan of work. We carry out drawings for building regulations approval. Everything will be done in accordance with the current legislation and the British standards and codes of practice. So you don't have to worry at all about the design phase. The next stage is the undertaking, the improvement. So this is where we take the agreed design and we implement that into a high value earning, revenue earning asset. So this is the implementation, the execution of the plan. And once we have that plan and the high value revenue earning assets in place, giving good returns to investors, we've got the final phase, which is safe, secure investment returns. So if you're at all interested in our unique branded system, don't hesitate to contact me. That's Alan from Alpus Group. My telephone number is 07539 141257 or 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, you've got to dial +44, drop the 0 on the front of those numbers. You can book a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop an email to alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.